Well, good morning, folks, and welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. Today, I am as jittery as my lab, staring up a tree with a squirrel in it. It is the thickest fog we have had in a long time, and as you know, that is an opportunity for shooting locations that are the worst in regular light. So I did not have to go too far from where I live. I'm visiting a couple locations. I'm visiting a man-made reservoir. I'll hit a couple of hills, and hopefully we'll be able to find a couple of nice looking images. So stay tuned and let's go hunt for shots. All right, so we are at this man-made reservoir, and this composition is pretty simple. I thought there may be a couple more people doing ice fishing. There are fresh tracks, but I don't see anybody right now on the lake. That would have been an interesting image. As I have a couple from this location that I will show right now, but the fog is too thick, so I'll probably just take a image of a shoreline and maybe a couple of trees that are in the fog. Let me show you what right now the conditions are. So as you can see, the fog is pretty thick. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love conditions like this. It's super quiet. Feels very isolated. But you do have to be in the right location to capture anything worthwhile, simply because the fog does not last very long, and it's already way into the morning. So I wonder how long we will have these conditions. So let me set up real quick and try to catch this fog while it lasts, and put one or two images in the bag. I am shooting with Canon M6 Mark II. That is the camera of choice for me for now. Man, you really have to be patient with fog. I came to this location on this rocky beach of one of the rivers not far from where I live, and as I was driving through to this location, thick fog come over the hill, come down into this particular location, clear as a bell. And so I left for maybe 5-10 minutes, come back. Thick fog rolled in. Exciting. So I pulled off. Pretty precarious spot. Have to be super careful. The cliff goes right into the river, and the river is calm. So I'm going to try to snap a shot of this pine sticking out of the rocks. Let me set up. All right, as you can tell, this is just a straight drop down into the water, and I have to somehow get down below on those rocks to be able to capture this tree right here. So as you can tell, the water is a mirror. It is calm, so it should turn out okay, but I just need to find the location to set up my camera and tripod. All right. All right, had to go grab another lens. The fog is slightly lifting. I put on a 50mm lens, 51.4. Oh boy. All right. Okay, so I have to confess that I am a bit overwhelmed. This is photographer's candy on any day, but it is hard to find a composition that you can say this is it. We still have quite a bit of fog. It's lifting up slowly. So I think I will try to capture one more shot for the day. This is way too busy. I have to go down to the beach, down to the water, down to the ice. I'm gonna have to change the location. All right, I think this might be a little better spot than what we just had before. I'm walking in the mud. Oh, should have put my wellies on. Oh, whoo, this is deep mud. As you can tell, I am sinking in this mud, but this is a beautiful spot. So this will be my last shot for the day. Thanks for sticking around so far. And this is what this image turned out like on the camera. So I wanted to thank you folks for supporting this channel with your time, viewership. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please share that on other platforms. It really helps, and appreciate you sticking with me. Thanks again. I hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next time.